Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Graphics Government. Today we're gonna discuss about Coreldraw 2020. So in this class we're gonna discuss about how to make design and fill colors with the help of mesh tool. So let's start. First take the rectangle and draw it using Control key from your keyboard. Now you get the square. After you get the square, press Control Q from your keyboard. First select the square. Press Ctrl Q. Ctrl Q is the shortcut for convert to curve. Then take the shape tool from here. Select the square from shape tool. Select the top right node and press delete from your keyboard. Okay. After that, again take that shape tool. Click on that slant side. And right click from your mouse and choose option to curve. Click on the outer side. Again just click on that slant slide, hold, drag and drop until it becomes curve. Okay. After that, select the bottom right node. Click on that node. Press shift key from your keyboard. Hold, drag and drop. Now adjust with the adjusted arrows. Again select the bottom right node, press shift key from your keyboard, hold, drag and drop until it touches the left bottom node. Okay. Now I want to make it little bigger from right. Okay. Now take the copy using Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now click mirror horizontally and then mirror vertically. Okay. After that, now it's time to fill the colors. Select the shape, press M from your keyboard. Now the mesh tool is activated to fill colors. First click on the center and select the color. I choose combination of pink and green, but in that first shape I choose pink. Click on the center node, select the color, click on that node, again 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 select the color. Okay. Now it's time for the second one. Select the shape, press M from your keyboard to activate mesh tool. First click on the center. I choose light green on the center, and on that node I choose grass green or spring green. It's fine, I think. Yes, spring green. I think it's fine. Mesh tool is basically used for combination of colors, as you can see. So if I want to set combination of color in any type of shape, so mesh tool is the only option to fill combination of colors in any type of shape. Okay, without wasting any time, let's move further. I select both the shape, press Ctrl Shift Q from my laptop, delete both outline. Okay, now select both the shape, press Ctrl G from your keyboard. Ctrl G is the shortcut for group. Take the copy of the shape, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Take another copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Select the middle one shape and click mirror horizontally. Select all three. Take rectangle tool and draw it. Shift page down to back of layer. Select black color and it's done. I hope you guys like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Tata, bye bye.